Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to increase might in Last Asylum Plague. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and increase might in Last Asylum Plague. So to increase your might in the Last Asylum Plague, focus on upgrading the 5 main sources of power: heroes, buildings, research, troops, and Raven. Your total might is the combined value of all of these categories. So you can upgrade your heroes. Level up heroes with Intoxin, increase their start level using hero shards, upgrade hero skills, and equip better gear. You can upgrade the sanctuary in buildings, so all your building heroes that you of course are going to have. The sanctuary is the main building that you can see of course here. As you can see, it's the sanctuary. You can go and upgrade it also. Also research new technologies, train and promote troops, and upgrade your Raven. Some tips to increase might faster: join an active alliance to earn extra resources, speed ups and event rewards. Save speed ups for event days that reward building or research upgrades to maximize your progress. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, until next time, as always, bye guys.